Guys, while I am sitting here in this toilet, I always love to use my jade roller. This is jade roller. I did a separate video about jade roller. I will also link that video in the first comment section just in case you are interested in knowing about jade roller. You can go ahead and watch that video. So let's get into the real deal here. I am going to be sitting on the toilet to do this video. So today I want to share with you guys my daily skincare routine. The things I do before and after I take shower to take care of my skin. So, you know guys, while you're sitting on the toilet, what do you do? Usually I start by doing that every day, but I'm not gonna show you everything in black and white. So this is where my daily routine starts. As soon as I get up in the morning, it starts here. Okay, so I've been using a lot of scrubs for the past how many days. I have been scrubbing because I was doing a lot of DIYs. But please do not exfoliate your skin on a daily basis. Twice a week is awesome for you. So because I wanted to give my skin a break, today I am using banana peels. Like when you peel the banana and eat the inside of the banana, you can use the skin to rub all over your face, your skin. It has a lot of vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium. It helps to tighten up your skin, and also this helps to remove or deplete. This helps to eliminate the dark circle under your eyes. So I am doing banana today. It's very mild. So you want to put it, this is, like I told you guys, my daily routine is different. I don't use the same thing on a daily basis. Depends on the video that I do. Like all last week, I did a whole lot of rose water, rose oil, because I did a DIY rose water and rose oil and green tea. I did a lot of green tea last week. So this week I am doing a lot of turmeric and a lot of banana. Even in my smoothies I use a lot of banana this week. So my week goes as, the church people will say, as the Holy Spirit directs you. So as the Holy Spirit directs me, I am doing banana today. So we are going to leave this for at least 10 minutes on my skin. So while we are waiting for 10 minutes on this one as well, I use this again 3 times a week. So today is one of my dry brushes. You want to buff off all the dead skin on your skin, and you know what, this helps to eliminate toxins in your body. So you want to scrub. It also helps with stretch mark. So if you have stretch mark any part of your body, just use dry brush. Yeah, it helps to increase circulation, taking off all the dead cells. Do not do it in the shower. Do this before you get into the shower. If your skin is wet, it will not work. You want to buff off all the dry skin. And 10 minutes now, I am going to be removing the banana peel around my eye area, and it's time for me to take a shower. After the shower, I will share with you guys the kind of moisturizer I use on a daily basis. Right now it's summer, it is very hot. I don't use moisturizer on my entire body. Hold on and stay tuned and I will tell you why I don't use moisturizer on my entire body. I use a different kind of spray on my entire body. I spare using moisturizer because it's so hot. So now it's time for shower. I don't use soap on a regular basis to wash my skin, but today I want to share with you I use soap to shower myself 2 times a week. Yes, I just run lukewarm water all over myself, all over my skin. For soap, I use soap under my armpit and on my feet. My entire body is lukewarm water. So today I am using black soap from Nigeria. Black soap. Yes, that's what I'm going to use. This black soap has something mixed in that. I think I'm going to do a different video where I'll share with you guys how I mix my black soap. So let's get into the shower. Yeah, that's the black soap. There's something mixed with it. Yeah, shower stall. I'm gonna get into the shower stall for the shower. So when I get into the shower stall, I have taken away the banana peel, and remember, I've taken away the banana peel. I will not use soap on my skin. Hot water dries off your skin, so the water is lukewarm. So let's take a shower. So after shower, let's get over to what I applied on my skin after shower. Okay. So after shower comes the moisturizer. Did you guys see? I went out on the sun. Look, I went out to run. Suntan here. So the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna share with you what I used to moisturize. Here I have my fridge. My skincare fridge is right inside my bathroom, so make sure you store your skincare in a cool place. So I have this, I made this, it's DIY, it's made with orange, it's orange toner. So the first thing I do when I come out of the shower is to use a toner, and any skincare you use works better when it is cold, like really, really cold. So I want to tone my skin, use a toner, bring it down to my neck area. We're going to tone to brighten up the skin and tighten up our skin. So after I use the toner, I'm going to be using rose water, anti-aging rose water. I made this couple of days ago, so if you're interested, I will leave the link down below. So all I do, I spray my skin with rose water all over my hands, all over. So this rose water becomes my moisturizer because I'm not going anywhere today. So I'm going to spray this on my entire body. The next thing I use only on my feet and my hands is African shea butter. So I'm gonna get a little bit of shea butter and I'm going to apply this directly on my feet. So this goes right on my feet. Apply on your legs and on your feet. So the rose water is still drying up on my skin. I also use the rose water on my scalp just to keep it healthy. So guys, thank you guys so much for your time. This is one of my head to toe skincare regimen that I do on a weekly basis. Like I said, every week is different from the other. So guys, if you're not subscribed, subscribe, share the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.